What are you making today?
All right, so today we are making hot crab dip. Now, this is a special recipe from Jill's dad, from Jim Easley. We got this in 2004 is when we got this recipe. And we make this recipe every single year because it's just the best
On New Year's.
on New Year's. So, what I want to do first is let's talk about our ingredients. All right, so first off, we have our cream cheese. We have the recipe calls for one package, 3 ounces, but we actually have 8-ounce packages. So we're gonna increase our
Cream cheese. I think the 3 ounces is a typo.
I think it is too, actually. so we got a total of 16 ounces of cream cheese.
Softened.
And it is softened. I've had it out of the refrigerator for a while now. We're going to see, I'm multiplying this by 4, so we're going to use 2 cups of mayo. And by the way, my wife only uses Best Food mayo. I made a mistake one time and said, what kind of mayo do we get? And she, don't you dare. Anyway, 1 can, or we don't use cans, we use fresh crab meat. And there's at least 2 pounds of crab meat here. So we have 2 pounds of crab meat. We're going to mince 1 onion. We're going to do, it says a tablespoon of lemon, but we'll just play it by ear. And hot pepper sauce. Today I want to try the sweet habanero. This is probably one of my favorite. And then we're also going to have salt and pepper. To taste. Now, these measurements are, everything is to taste, so you adjust how you want it. All right. So, first thing we're going to do is take out our cream cheese and get it into the bowl, and then we'll add our mayo. All right. So, if you notice, my mixing bowl got a little bigger. My wife looked at my mixing bowl and said, "You're going to want a bigger mixing bowl." And she's probably right. So, she's the expert. She's the brains. I lift heavy things. That's how it works. So, we're going to open this up, maybe. These things are childproof, so I'm in trouble. I like using the rubber spatulas here. There's one. Like I said, I've been making this recipe since 2004.
21 years.
How many?
21.
21 years? Oh my gosh, I'm getting old. 21 years, wow. Trick is not to get your hands all gooey, because then it's harder to work with. It's hard to work with anyway. All right, come on. There we go. Open that up. This could be the whole video just from opening up the cream cheese. Yeah. Stick that in there, like that. I have to make sure I get all the cream juice. Like part of the money here. All right, press pause.
It calls for a cup
per, and we're calls for a half cup. We're multiplying this by about 4. So my wife, who's the expert here,
there's about a cup.
That's not a cup.
There's about 2 cups.
No.
Yeah.
No, that's not a cup.
Oh yeah. Oh no, that's a lot.
That's not a lot.
Dad said you can always add more, but once it's in there, you can't take it out.
Okay.
I don't think we need to add more.
All right. She is the experienced one, and I'm not. So we have that. Then we need our crab meat drained. So if you got crab meat and it's got a lot of juices in it, you do want to make sure it's drained. I don't have that problem.
Before you add that, you're gonna want to.
But before I add this, we're gonna mix this up a little bit, and then.
Together and probably add your lemon juice.
Okay, hold on. Where's that spoon go? No spoon?
Just put that in the crab.
Oh, put it in the crab. Yeah. I think my bowl's too big. Let's get the stuff off the sides. There we go. Mix up just a little bit more.
What'd you do?
All right, so here's our minced onions. I think that's pretty good, don't you?
Yeah, don't scrape the blade of the...
I go like that, not like that. Anyway, okay. All right, so we're going to cut our lemon, and we're going to put it in our trusty and just put it right in.
Yeah.
Did you do the other half too, or no?
I would do the other half, but I wouldn't do the other lemon. Do the
Right.
other half. Just put nothing
Yeah.
lemon.
So just one lemon, it's fine.
That's a good amount of juice.
And after our lemon, we got our hot pepper sauce, and this is to taste. I'm gonna give that a good stir, and then we'll add our crab
And your onion.
and my onion. Go ahead and add the onion now.
You know what I was thinking upstairs?
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking for variations, you could add a little bit of jalapeno. You
Right.
could add a little bit of chopped artichoke heart.
Oh, yeah. Idea I had was to actually put it in a smoker after you do it the first time, after you cook it. Mm-hmm. This didn't make very much.
No, once you add the crab in there, it'll...
It's the most important part.
Like hot crab.
So, add my crab. The stuff out of that. Like I said, there was quite a bit of crab too. So, I always wondered what the, because he says 2 pounds or 2.5 pounds of crab meat with shells. The shells actually don't weigh that much. So most of your weight is the crab, I think.
Well, that's looking good.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
oh man.
What are you going to do with this after it's all well incorporated?
After this is all well incorporated, I am going to put it in a baking dish. Do we want to add salt and pepper to it?
Yeah, you should have already added that. As much mixing as you've done.
That's true. Okay. Now open that for me.
Here, Here, I'll do it.
All right. So she's going to do that part.
A couple teaspoons like this.
Oh, my. Ah. All right. So we got our salt and pepper. And we'll just kind of incorporate that without trying to break up the crab too much, because you want chunks in the crab. Yes, I do. All right.
Here,
She's already got it. All right. So now what we do is put about half of it in here and the other half in the other one. This will make 2 batches. Maybe. All right, that's about half there.
Yeah, because you don't want it real thick in there.
Right.
And this is going to bake on 350 until golden bubbly. Takes about 45 minutes.
And what you look for is it for have a nice crust on the top, nice golden color. You'll see it bubbling as it's cooking. There's the first one. And here we have our 2 pans of hot crab dip.
Getting ready to go in the oven.
Gonna go in the oven. We're preheating the oven to
350.
350, and we'll put it in for about, what did you say?
In the oven at what?
In the oven for at 350.
About 45 minutes.
For about 45 minutes.
Uncovered.
There you go, uncovered.
Ready for the oven?
All right, so the temp's at 350, and here we go. One there, and one there. There you go.
Phil had to run out to the store to get some more onions because I'm making some seafood stuffed pasta shells. But that is done. We're going to take those out of the oven and I'll show you what they are on the counter. Get that microphone sound in there. Golden bubbly. All right, and that's my dad's hot crab dip. He passed in 2006. We got this recipe from him just a couple years before he passed away. So thrilled. We make it every New Year's. It's a family fave and fun to share with friends. We're having friends over tomorrow night for dinner, and so we'll have one of these delicious pans tomorrow night. And I know my husband's not going to leave this alone tonight. As soon as he gets back from the store, he's going to be hitting those crackers. So hot crab dip. Enjoy.